Right. What is the last session we did? One more. Come on. How templates are working. Very good. Error coming means you tried, you practiced. Come on, remaining. You are getting error means you practiced more. You didn't resolve the error. Doesn't require. By default, it is installing. Specially, you no need to install that one. Jinja, specially, you no need to install. By default, with Django, it is coming. Shall I start today? DTL, Django template language. Some more examples I'm ready to give to you. Shall I start examples? DTL level. I'll show you Mohan Prasad one by one. Don't worry. Please be free. All will come Mohan one by one. Okay. Just I'm discussing with you Django basics. Just basics. Come on, remind me members. Some people saying errors are there. Some people saying doubts are there. Django template language. Everybody. Shall I start DTL? Django template language. DTL. DTL completely contains Jinja syntaxes. A template is rendered with a context which is used to get value at a web page. From Python views.py, we can inject dynamic content to the template file by using template tags. Template tags are template variables always acts with this kind of brackets, double curly braces. So here something, these double curly braces generally we are calling string interpolation. Anybody you heard the name string interpolation in any technology, or first time you are listening those words? Anybody you heard the name string interpolation, or anybody you heard previously string interpolation? Yes, Angular level we are using, correct. What is the context? Do you remember render function? Yes, render function level, I said all these things. What I said, render function level. How many parameters are there in the render function? You can tell me. First one is request. Next, only 3, no, not 4, 3. First one, request. Second one, template. Third one, context. A context is a variable name, variable value mapping that is passed to a template. It is a dictionary with variable names as the key and their values as the value. So a context is nothing but variable name. A context always contains key value pairs. Context always contains key value pairs. Clear, everybody? Right. That is also clear. Project only pending. Check it, everybody. So what is the context representing? You can check it. Then we'll see one perfect project on that area. Interpolation means what is it? String interpolation is nothing but which is having double curly brackets. We should not separate like the interpolation. Actually, string interpolation is nothing but which is vice versa meaning. Himanshu, we'll see practically that vice versa. Okay. Right, come down. CD double dot. Django -admin start project DJ. What project did you say? Django template language. DJ DTL start project web app, whatever it is. Manage.py run server. Then what we need to do? Everybody knows that very clearly. Yes. Then close it, every resource whichever already opened. Everything closed. DTL you can expand. Go to settings.py. Come on, help me. OS. Come on, who is giving? Come on, what we need to write? Templates path dot join base dir templates. Is it path correct? Very good. OS dot. Right, perfect. Come on here, what we are writing? Web app we are writing here. Come on. Next one, what we are configuring? Configuring. After that, settings completed. Settings completed after where you need to right click. Then new directory. Come on. templates, inside any name, inside so right now I'm not creating more pages. I'll show you definitely more pages. I'll show you, don't worry. Clear up to there? Excellent. Then first I'm completing this Django template language. Django template language. First, I'm giving for you H1. One variable I use this one. I'll show you where I'm going to use. H2, string interpolation I'm using. Name also. Where that one, how that one, I'll show you, don't worry. Immediately go to views. Because views level logic we need to write. Views. What are the views available? Import date time. Def. Simply any name I'm writing. What available here? Request available. One variable is equal to I'm using. Date time dot again date time dot now. Now what doing already now method you are having idea in Python level? Now method you are having idea in Python level? Right. Name is equal to what variables I used here? Welcome dot. Okay. Detail use it name. Name is equal to. I'm using Python Django web framework. That's it. Name also I'm giving. Dictionary is equal to dt variable name. Anything you can use, whatever use I'm using name. Then return render request comma my app. What is that one? Welcome.html dic. Clear or not? You can check it. This logic properly check it. Take your own time. Come on, everyone. Come on, everyone. Okay. Any question for me? These are redirecting to here. Understood views level what I used? Correctly. Second line, we are importing datetime modules, Ravanti, from Python. Datetime module contains all datetime related solutions. Which one you want? Come on, Ravanti, which one you want? Oh, this one. What is now doing? Generally, now returning current date and time. Now is a method in date and time module, which is returning current date and time. Please refer your Python daytime modules, Sravanti. Otherwise, watch my Python videos for Python. Then what I need to do next step? Views. Come on. Something, any name you can provide, not a matter. Okay, correct or not? Let me check it. Data view or not? Yes. Then what I need to do? Server correctly running or not? You can check it. Yes, we can pass directly also. Mudali. We can pass directly also. Datetime module inside, datetime is a attribute. Attribute inside now is a method. Dheeraj. Got the point, Dheeraj? Include Ranjit, I didn't understand. Anybody, if you are giving, for example, the mistake, the views level, for example, welcome spelling, you did mistake. Perfectly executing, and we'll see that. Anybody you got like this error? Template does not exist. Observe name here. How much clearly it is giving. You need to find out easily that. Template loader postmortem. Postmortem level, what it is showing. Observe postmortem, what it is showing. Request level and as well as response level also, what it is giving. It is not returning that. Observing program is not returning that. Guys, how much nicely Django providing errors. When you're coming to variables level, when you're working that datetime module level, it is not able to recognize. So these many errors you are getting because of just you are missing E. Everybody try to understand that. And refresh. Got it? Getting localhost error means any port problem is there in your system, Himanshu? Just you can cross check it once. Come on, my dears. Proxy settings done, but did not work. Okay. Actually, port problem is there. You are getting error. That is only. So can you send a screenshot of that? I'll check it once. Mail me one screenshot. Anybody doubt in this project or clear? Clear everybody in this simple project? Shall I move forward? Show the code once. Come on, Mukul, observe. Once you understood, tell me. Chaitanya, what happened? Classroom link. You are not there, Chaitanya. Can you share anybody classroom link for the notes? Google Classroom. Already our friends shared to you. You can check it. Come on, remaining. Come on, express Dheeraj. What is your doubt? In pickle module, creating records with open function. Okay. Dheeraj, what happened? URLs, please. Up to there, clear, Sai Karan. Check it, URL, Sai Karan. Come on, quickly. Lot of examples are there. If you are permitting, we'll do more examples. Records in web page level. Oh, records in web. Pickle module in web page level means I didn't understand. Dheeraj, tell me properly. That is a serialization, deserialization. Shall I go to next one? Definitely sure, we'll check it night. I'm moving forward to next one. For example, I'm going to write here something like style. Observe here. Style I'm writing. I closed here. H1 I'm writing. Color red. I said, if you are coming here, you are refreshing. And you are giving, for example, font family. You are giving like something Tahoma. So Tahoma, you are giving your refresh. Applying or not? Right, very good. So now I said, for example, font size I'm giving 40 pixels. But writing CSS directly in HTML file, valid or invalid? Can we write CSS code in HTML file? Can we write Python code? Can we write HTML code in Python? These are not recommended. Mixing kind of technology is not recommended. Always, whatever we are writing, these must be unique. These must be specialized. These are not recommended. So in that situation, what we need to do, how simply we are going to follow. So shall we move forward, guys, everyone? Shall we move forward, everyone? So that is only we are entering into. First, okay. Up to here, I shown to you project level. Jinja also in the last session, just introductory part I provided. That is there. Right. Just I'm giving Jinja means DTL. Django template language. After that, I'm coming to static. Check it once. Working with static files. So how to use Python code we understood. How to use HTML code we understood. Next, we are learning how to use CSS, images, JavaScript. Step by step, I am coming. We worked with the text data into template by using template tags. We will insert static files like images, CSS, and JavaScript files, etc. inside a template file. Process to include static files inside template. Create a folder named with static inside main project folder. Correctly understand. Create a folder named with static inside main project folder. In static folder, we can create a CSS folder to insert CSS style sheets. In static folder, create images also. In static directory, we can create path base underscore dir, static underscore dir, os.path.join. Very good. Configure static directory path to settings.py file. Oh, lot of stories there, my dears. I think you people are understanding what points they spoke to you. 5 points. Check it, no problem. Correctly check it. Clear all the points. Create folder, static folder, static folder, static directory, static underscore URL. Yes, individually. CSS different, HTML different, JavaScript different. All these are independent resources. CSS mistake, go to CSS file. JS mistake, go to JS file. PY mistake, go to Python. That's it. Don't go to mixed areas. I hope you understood the concept. Come on, waiting for your green signal. See how we are loading. Syntax is correctly observed. Django framework level syntaxes. How CSS we are giving. Static name is compulsory. First, you need to write load static. Then only it will recognize CSS images, JavaScript. Mohan. Otherwise, it will give error. You can check it also. Possible. I'll show you multiple web pages, multiple HTML files there. Shall I move forward? Come on, everyone. Static, all the resources. Shall I start a project? Time is less. If you understood, I'll show you project. First, theory part level clarity, syntax level clarity. Any doubt, express, but don't sit. That means of constantly. So we need to do something. Time is less. We need to work out. Shall I create a project? Very good. That is right. So we'll go there. DJ. Observe static project. As usual, working fine. Go to settings.py. Come on, lead me. See, observe now what I'm writing. This is the new one. Understood everyone, new point. Yes, new point everyone. How you are going to configure that? Come on here, what we are writing? Then static resources last is equal to, correctly observe, static files dirs. Check it. Here I wait some time, need to understand. Alison, above all the things already we did many times. You have any question? Check it. This is a new one. Okay, that word. Above point also clear. After that, observing. Last step I came here. All are capital letters. Carefully observe, otherwise you will get template not found or static resources not existed. Because we are creating not only one single file, we are creating many static files. I hope you understood why we are using S. There is always plural because I made already in the notes also very clearly. Very clearly, every point I wrote. Clear reminding who are asking me questions. The syntax. We can create any number of static files, any number of static directories also. Come on, everyone. Come on, guys. That's much time, ideas. Oh my God. Yes, every time we need to create for new project. What we need to do for new project level? Go to project level. First, what we need to create here? What that one? Templates inside. Inside, whatever the library you want. Means next static, come on. What is the name? Static inside, what we need to create? CSS inside, what we need to create? Again, there only what we need to create static inside. Getting points, everybody? Where I created templates, static. Images you want to add, how to add? Shall I show you images how to add? Go to images. Copy images. Go to iDrive. Where you created, what is your project name? Come on, DJ Pros 9 p.m. In that one, what is your project name? Static Pro. Inside. Static inside images. Copy paste. And you can come here. Observe now. Observe a complete picture. Following me? Slowly, perfectly. If you want, once again, I'll show you. Completing is not the matter. Your understanding is not the matter. Where I created the project, iDrive. Go to first iDrive. There what available? My projects folder available. What project folder I created? 9 p.m. Click on that 9 p.m. Then what available here project? Which project I created? Come on, which project I created? Double click on that one. Then where I created that resources? Okay, click on the static. The static what? Images. Clear now at least? How to go to that area? The image is already pasted. Hope you are clear or not. You can check it. What points I did. Structure completely clear or not. You can check it. Shall I move forward? Next step. Next step, what I need to write? Settings completed. Settings after. Shall I write HTML file? Okay, Django static files. What I'm writing? Correct or not? Name. Enough. Remaining, I'll show you one by one. Then where I need to go? Views level. Views level, what I need to write? logic we need to write. So I want to create CSS. Go to CSS file already created, no CSS. CSS code you can write here. Whatever you want to write. For example, H1 code you want to write, right? Whatever you want. Text align. Justify as you like. Text decoration. See how nicely coming. Underline. Clear or not, everybody? You want to write H2 means H2 level also can write, no problem. Change the things. Right. Line through. Automatically, everything. Everything, whatever you want. CSS level. Views level logic. Shall I write views level logic? From date time, import, simple date time. Def, whatever you want. Whatever the name you want, you can give. It's not the matter what you are giving. Request. It is equal to date time. Then what do we need to provide? Now. The name is equal to what you are providing. Observing. Remaining, I'm not writing. Logic tomorrow I'll write. After that one, what I did. Listener equal to, come on. DT. Name equal to, name. Return render request. My app inside. Welcome.html. Come on, what we need to write? Clear any doubt? Clearly observe what I wrote here. Shravanti. From keyword I used means meaning changer completely. Shravanti. Now you are going to. Next you are going to URLs. Actually, it is a big example. In the next session, we can see some more. Web app. Import views. Then path. What you are providing. Time information I am providing. Yes. Views dot. Time info. After that one, what we need to do? Run. T info you can say. Not compulsory. T info you can say. Unable to connect, it said. What happened? Time info, T info, views level, time info, observe here. T capital, I capital, you are out. Now you are giving. Clear everyone now? Dheeraj, where I provided CSS file. Yes, color not there. Then what do I need to do? Go to HTML file. One word we need to write. What that one? Come on. Load static. After that one, what we need to do? We need to add link href is equal to, come on, static resources. What we need to say here? Where available? Static CSS inside, where available? myfile.css. Are you getting? Remind members, are you getting relation equal to style sheet? Then refresh now. Are you understanding? Software engineers. CS level both are same what? Okay, H1, H2 available. Both are maybe H1. Go to HTML level. Both are H1. Change here. Then refresh here. And that is underscore will do. CSS level underscore. Overline will do. Then you are getting overline. Yes. Right. Observe HTML page now. How many resources available here? Load static. Why you added? Load static. Why you added? Anybody? Load static. Why you added? Because of HTML. Very good. Come on, where you're confused is there? Anybody you can tell me, no problem. To logic you want to see? Settings. This is only new. Vishnuvardan. That is only new. Remaining all are old. How many steps we did? Are you clear? URLs page. URLs page is nothing, my dear. What is there? Dheeraj. Shall I move forward? So tomorrow we'll do same example once again. Okay, don't worry. And this is the last one. This is the first one like that. Same, we need to do multiple examples in the next session. Understanding or not? Multiple web pages will take and I'll use. So that you people are understanding more clearly. Practice today HTML level as well as CSS level resources. Tomorrow, once again, I'll repeat the same things. Don't worry. But that much critical things are not there. That I can say. DTL and DJ static. Okay. Come on, are you there, everyone? Sure, Dheeraj. Daily my projects you are practicing. At the ending, automatically you will do that. You no need to ask again, especially Dheeraj. Daily you can do my examples practice. Enough. Automatically. Whatever I'm doing in the live environment, in the real-time environment, daily I'm showing to you. Daily. Whatever in the real-time environment I'm doing, every project I'm showing like that. Come on, any more questions? No questions. Happily you can leave. Thank you. Good night. Questions are there. You can question me. I'll explain to you. Come on, everyone. Thank you. Shavanti. Create no